Modern. The place is modern. Ancient. The place is ancient. Fresh. The fruit are fresh. Stale. The fruits are stale. Freeze. He is freezing. Melt. She is melting. Even. These numbers are even. Odd. These numbers are odd. Dead. This plant is dead. Alive. That one is alive. Up. He is walking up. Down. She is walking down. Poor. He is a poor man. Rich. The old man is rich. Build. The home is building. Destroy. The house is destroying. Rude. The man is rude. Polite. They are polite. Conning. He is conning. Honest. He is very honest. Flexible. This is flexible shoe. Rigid. The metal is rigid. Whole. The bottles are whole. Broken. The window is broken. Tame. The dog is tame. Wild. The wolf is wild. Innocent. The man is innocent. Goilty. The boy is goilty. Asleep. She is asleep. Awake. He is awake. Open. The door is open. Close. The door is closed. Hopeful. He is hopeful. Hopeless. She is hopeless. Wet. The shirt is wet. Dry. The shirt is dry. Smooth. Her face is smooth. Wrinkled. Her face is wrinkled. Fable. The old man is feeble. Strong. He is a strong man. Simple. It is simple. Complicate. It is very complicated. Attractive. He is an attractive. Unattractive. He is unattractive. Careless. He is careless. Careful. He is very careful. Sincere. He is sincere. Insincere. He is insincere. Smooth. This road is smooth. Bumpy. This is bumpy. Expensive. The car is expensive. Cheap. The bicycle is cheap. Correct. This position is correct. Incorrect. This position is incorrect. Blunt. The axe is blunt. Sharp. The knife is sharp. Wise. He is a wise man. Foolish. He is a foolish man. Messy. The room is messy. Neat. This one is neat. Hot. The soap is hot. Cold. This ice is cold. Generous. He is generous. Stingy. The boy is stingy. Empty. The chair is empty. Occupied. This one is occupied. Smooth. The ball is smooth. Rough. The stone is rough. Cheerful. She looked cheerful. Gloomy. He looks gloomy. Weak. He is weak. Strong. He is very strong. Quiet. The village is quiet. Busy. The city is very busy. Empty. The basket is empty. Full. The basket is full. Pretty. She looks pretty. Ugly. She looks ugly. Calm. This lake is calm. Stormy. The river is stormy. Curved. The road is curved. Straight. The road is straight. Busy. She is busy in her work. Free. He is totally free. Energetic. He is energetic. Lazy. The boy is very lazy. Full. No, I am full. Hungry. She looks hungry. Fast. The rabbit runs fast. Slow. The turtle runs slow. Honest. He is honest. Deceptive. He is deceptive. Arrogant. He is arrogant. Humble. He is a humble man. Beneficial. This food is beneficial for our health. Harmful. This one is harmful for our health. Kind. He is a kind man. Mean. She is very mean. Sweet. The cake is sweet. Sour. The lemon is sour. Shallow. This is shallow. Deep. The lake is deep. Soft. This teddy is soft. Hard. The stone is hard. Loud. Don't speak loud. Quiet. Speak in quiet voice. Clever. He is clever. Stupid. He is very stupid. Young. He is a young man. Old. He is an old man. Empty. The glass is empty. Full. The glass is full. Heavy. This box is heavy. Light. This one is light. Beautiful. The girl is beautiful. Ugly. She is very ugly. Safe. This way is safe. Dangerous. This way is dangerous. Brave. He is brave. Coward. He is coward. Deloitte. She looks deloyed. Gloomy. She looks gloomy. Long. This pencil is long. Short. This is short one. Healthy. She is healthy. Sick. The boy is sick. Thin. This book is thin. Thick. The book is thick. Tall. The giraffe is tall. Short. The monkey is short. Old. The house is old. New. This house is new. Easy. It is very easy. Difficult. It is very difficult. Narrow. This road is narrow. Wide. This one is wide. Bright. The sun is bright. Dull. The sky is dull. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos.